game. Bili na po kayo fruits. Bili na po. Bili po kayong fruits.
Okay.
Yes po. What do you want po?
Strawberry.
Strawberry po? Okay. Coming right up. This is $3 po.
$3 po.
Opo, $3.
$3.
Yes po. Here's your strawberry.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Here's your fork. Here's your fork. Thank you for the bayad. Bili kayo ng fruits. Bili po.
Okay.
Bili po kayo ng fruits. Yes po. What do you want po?
I want mango.
Mango. Okay. Let me get you a mango. Wait lang po. This
No.
is $5 po.
No, Mama. No watermelon.
No mango na? No mango?
Oh,
Do you still want mango?
yeah.
Okay. $5 po. $5 po, bayad mo po. Uy, wala ka pa bayad po.
Mama, get it.
Wala ka pa pong bayad. Sa mango, $5.
Thank you.
Hindi na bayad. Okay. Enjoy. Fruits. Bili kayo ng fruits.
Okay po.
Yes po. What do you want po?
I want strawberry shortness.
Strawberry? Okay. Sit down lang po kayo po. I'll bring you strawberries. This is $3 po.
Hello.
This is $3 po. Here's your strawberry.
Enjoy.
Your bayad.
I
$3.
want this one or this one.
Oh, wow. Is it delicious?
Delicious.
Oh, wow. You have strawberry. You have mango. Oh, wow.